Hello everyone, my name is Shomo and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Shomo Subramitra. So I am going to start my video today with the mysteries of the ocean. Let's start. You know very much that our earth contains more than 70% of water and we have 5 big oceans, and humans have only discovered around 20 to 25% of the ocean till now, and there are lots of parts are still remaining hidden from the humans. 70% of water and we have 5 big oceans, and humans have only discovered around 20 to 25% of the ocean till now, and there are lots of parts are still remaining hidden from the humans and they are yet to discover, right? But humans making some progress to discover something, right? And there are always R&D going on, and some of the things have come out recently and I'm going to talk to you with them about it. Yeah. And so as you know that oceans are largely there are lots of plants and animals surviving in the ocean, but amount of fishes and animals and plants we have discovered till now are, you can say that there are around 30% or 40%, right? Because there are more than 60% still remaining hidden from us and we need to find them, right? But we also need to take care about their habitats, because the earth remaining, because there are lots of plants and animals and fishes that they live very very deep under the ocean, right? Very very depth, like few kilometers depth where the lights don't reach. And how do they survive? As you know that sunlight uh, reach the surface of the ocean and that create oxygen, and the fishes and plants and other animals like bacteria, plankton and all, they survive by that oxygen. They take the fish take oxygen from their gills and survive, right? So there are lots of fishes that live very very deep down, very dark. Okay, the oceans, the lights, the oxygen don't reach that depth level. So how do they survive? They survive on like some fish and animals and plants has evolved. They made rapid change. They made change over like thousands or hundreds of thousands of years, or probably millions of years. Okay, they adapt to the change of the climate, the change of the geological. Okay, and there are lots of things. So the surface of the ocean, there are some volcanic parts, right, where lava and smoke and ashes and heat being constantly generated from there. So from there bacteria and other animals are able to absorb the heat, to absorb the heat, to eat other plants and animals to survive, right? And there are certain kinds of prawns and crabs that generates bacteria on their arms and body, and that they eat that to survive. And the heat from the volcano that provides energy for some fishes and plants and animals, etc. Okay. And then there are like huge kind of jellyfishes with long and fat legs have been discovered. There are some kinds of small and cute octopus have been discovered also. Big octopuses with multiple arms, like hundreds of arms, have been discovered. Okay, then there are seahorses, jellyfishes. Okay, there are squids, and huge squid around 4 or 5 story high squid have been discovered. So there are findings going on, right? Then there is a long steel colored fish have been discovered, which come out from the surface to warn us about something climatic or unnatural going on. So there are these. So some fishes and plants have generated their own illuminating cells, like their body produces light, like fluorescent or illuminated light, like that. So they like that, and they attract they attract other species to hunt and survive, to eat, or they may attract other sex to mate, and so on and so on. Okay, so there is a dark monster fish, okay, with a bulb like, okay, and it has big shark teeth. That fish, dark. So lots of other fishes from the depth have also tried to rise up in the ocean top to take oxygen and other food to survive, but also they become prey to the big other fishes or predators like sharks, whales, and other fishes, right? So we need to find those fishes and discover them, but also we need to protect them so that they don't get extinct. And also the oceans have lots of microplastics which have caused lots of troubles to the fishes and plants, and they are hard to survive, and we need to protect their ecology, their their environment, their habitats. Okay, we need to stop destroying them, and we need to protect them, right, so that they don't go extinct. And we don't want to hunt them, and we don't want to destroy them. Okay, there are lots of still new fishes and plants are still yet to be find out, and still yet to be researched and documented. Okay, we may find lots of cures or medicines from the plants or animals, right, or fishes, but we need to protect them as much as possible. Yeah, and I think that's it. And I hope you like my video. Like, share, and subscribe. And I am little I am stammering because I have this problem and I stammer a little. So I hope you can forgive me for that. And I will try to improve my vocabulary and try to smooth out my speech. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.